Hi, everyone. Today I'm meeting my friends. I spent a long time doing my hair this morning. And now, uh-oh. Oh no, look at my hair. The rain and wind ruined it. I need a haircut today. Let's go inside. Hello, welcome. Hi, do you have any appointments today? Let me check. Yes, we have one in 10 minutes. That's great. Great. I didn't have to wait long. I sat down and waited for my turn. I looked around the salon. Everyone was very friendly. Anna? That's me. What would you like today? I'd like a trim, please. How much? Just a little. I also have a photo of the hairstyle I'd like. Here it is. Perfect. I can do that. Great. Thank you. Then I sat in the chair. The hairdresser washed my hair. I closed my eyes. I decided to relax and trust the hairdresser. Are you comfortable? Yes, thank you. Perfect. After a while, I heard the hairdryer. The haircut was almost finished. All done. Wow, I love it. Did you enjoy your haircut? Yes, I love it. Thank you. That will be €45, please. Can I pay by card? Of course. Payment approved. Here's your receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. See you next time. Now I feel much better. I'm really happy with my new haircut. It was a great experience.